Hey there, this is Priyanshu, and in this video, we'll see how you can re-engage or activate dormant members in your community. Right. So these are the members who were once active, but then they recently became inactive. Right. So setting up the workflow is pretty simple. Navigate to the automation dashboard, and we already have a template called Activate Dormant Users. Right. So let's use this template. Now, using this, we'll replicate it on your workspace. The trigger conditions are set to something like this, which includes members who were active in the last 60 days, right? But then they became inactive in the last 15 days, right? And now you can use a very strong hook to get them to engage in the community again. It could be anything. It could be, a registration for an upcoming event. It could be a really relevant content piece. Anything that can get them to talk in the community again, right? And that's it. That's how you can set up a workflow to re-engage dormant members. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.